Hello and welcome back long this channel. Long this video by you may talk long proper subsets, or sometimes you may call them strict subsets. If every element of set A is also an element of set B, but set B has more elements than set A, then set A is a proper subset of set B. You may use this symbol long denoting proper subsets. You may end up to express him proper subset using Venn diagram. Now look at this Venn diagram. You may get him set A and set B. Set A got him elements 1, 3 and 5. Set B got him elements 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7. Every element of set A is also an element of set B. Element 1, 3 and 5, you find him in set A. You can also find him in set B. Also, you may write him as well set A inside long set B. Now set B you got him element 2 and 7, where you know find him inside long set A. Also, by you may talk about set A is a proper subset of set B. Now apply example. Set C is equals to the element PQR, and set T is equals to the set containing elements PQRST. You may look at this 2 plus set. Set C all get the element long M, you may find him inside long set D. That's what set D you got him S not T, 2 more elements. Also that's all, but you may talk set C is a proper subset of set D. Now suppose set A is not a proper subset of set B, and you may write him also using this last symbol. A is not a proper subset of set B. You may look at one play example. Set B is equals to the set having elements 1, 2 and 5. Now set D is equals to the set having elements 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now suppose you may look at this 2 plus set. You may can look him also inside long set B element where number 2 you know find him inside long set D. Also that's all, but you may talk set B is not a proper subset of set D. Now 2 by you may talk also set B is not equal to set D. No set is a proper subset of itself, and one very important point by you must think into a null set is a proper subset of every set. Thank you for watching this video. Now looking you another time. Bye bye now.